We're taking our morning walk, and this is the view we see here. It's beautiful. It's about, feels like 29 degrees right now, and just doing a 360-degree view. So this is our morning walk, and heading down from where we are, we can get to Estepona beach area. The views are amazing, hearing the waves while you walk, and there's lots of restaurants coming up. Yeah, so down on our walk, we're gonna try this breakfast place one day. It's called Playa Beach, and it's beautiful because while you're eating breakfast, you get to see the beach view here. On our walk as well, there are water sports that we can try. We'll bring the boys down one day, and there are banana boats, donuts, jet skiing, jet ski rentals. On our walk here, this is a beach club here. It's going to be opening soon because it's almost lunchtime. And actually also this beach club too, we're going to do this one day. Also, we'll give either a single massage or a couple massage right on the beach. Amazing. So you actually get, so these are their spa services. This is the first one I've actually seen since Spain. And interestingly, you're not even going to be having a massage in an air-conditioned room or anything. You're actually going to have your massage done on the beach. So for a deep tissue for 50 minutes, it's 90 euros, and for 25 minutes, it's about 45 euros. Or you can get a head and neck for 25 minutes for $35. They also do facial treatments and body treatments. And wow, what a beautiful view to do a massage in. So we're definitely coming back to do this. We're actually, you can't really see it because of the sun, but it says El Padron. So we are in, like I said earlier, Estepona, but we're in El Padron. There's another restaurant called right there, right, enjoy lunch and dinner right in front of the beach. Well, this is the other side of that restaurant. So this is the view, and now we're just walking back home.